I have always wondered if these new fancy pants electric trucks can go off-road. So let's see how a stock Cybertruck handles the most complicated off-road trail available. The Hell's Gate in Moab, Utah. Wow, the Cybertruck made it look easy. Did Elon use a bit of movie magic? Now let's go see how the Rivian handles the same course. You got this, Rivian R1 T. Let's go. Well, the Cybertruck definitely looked way smoother, but both did drive through the Hell's Gate with no problem. Which one would you guys take desert off-roading?